Located in Anaheim's Colony Historic District, this home, originally built in 1931, was completely redone in 2010, bringing modern luxuries with historic charm right to your front door. The exterior might be Santa Fe, but the modern interior is filled with natural light. You'll find tall ceilings and glass doors in every single room. But upstairs is where the magic happens. Get your mind out of the gutter! I'm talking about Disneyland fireworks right here! Has it all, 5 bedrooms, 2 primary suites, but wait till you see the garage and studio space out back. The video can only capture so much because this home is full of surprises. When you're ready to see that magic, contact me at the number below. We'll see you soon.